In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos and video channels to your Wix website. If you're looking to enhance your site's interactivity and keep visitors engaged, integrating videos is an effective strategy. We'll walk through this process step by step, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the Wix website editor. Open your preferred browser and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, access your website project by entering the editor. Think of the editor as your workspace where all the magic happens. You'll find several options on how you can customize your website, and today we're going to focus on adding videos. Once you're in the Wix website editor, look for the Add Apps option. You can find this in the left-hand menu. Clicking on Add Apps will open up a new window showcasing a variety of tools and features that you can integrate into your website. These tools help enhance the functionality and appearance of your site, making it more attractive and user-friendly. In the search bar of the Apps window, type in Wix Video. This is a specific app that Wix provides, designed to facilitate video integration on your website. The search results should display the Wix Video app distinguished by its logo. This app is a crucial tool as it allows you to manage and showcase your video content seamlessly. Next, click on the Wix Video app to expand its details. This page will provide you with more information about the app's features and how it can benefit your website. Once you've reviewed the details and are ready to proceed, click on Add to Site. Doing so will initiate the integration process, and Wix Video will be added to your website's list of features. After you've added the app to your site, look for the Manage Videos option, usually appearing under the same section. By clicking this, you'll be directed to a dashboard where you can control all aspects of your video content. This is where you'll upload, organize, and customize videos to match the theme and purpose of your site. Now it's time to upload your videos. Click on Upload Videos, and a dialog box will appear, prompting you to select the files you wish to add. Choose the content from your device, and once uploaded, you'll be able to see and manage the videos directly from your site. Finally, if you have an existing video channel you wish to embed, locate the Embed Channel URL option. Here, simply input the URL of your desired channel. This feature allows you to showcase channels from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, broadening the scope of videos accessible on your site. And there you have it. With these steps, you can successfully add videos and video channels to your Wix website, making it a vibrant hub for engaging content. Thank you for watching, and enjoy exploring the creative possibilities of your site with videos.